In this tutorial, we will learn how to create shapes from vector paths. So I have this shape right here. It's of a virus. If I bring it to After Effects, composition, I'll make the background white so that we can see what we are dealing with. So I have this virus over here, but the issue here is that it's like a full image. I have very little freedom because I don't have access to the vertices of this particular layer, this leg layer. What I can do here is right click, create shapes from vector layer. Now it has made a shape which have these vertices. Now I can expand this. I have this path created inside of After Effects. This feature of creating shapes from vector layers only works properly with simple layers like this.